This match means a lot to me because I played the best in Africa. She's number 2 in the juniors in the world, like in Africa. So it felt great to play her again because I played her, I believe, last year, but won in semis of AJC and I won. So playing her today again, I was a bit nervous because she's played more tournaments than me. So I just came out there to play my tennis and give everything I can for my team, family, my fans, and everyone watching. So I would say this feeling is nice, and I'm gonna bring this feeling also to the doubles. It's a time match now, so winner of the doubles wins. So we're gonna take it. Yeah.
She's also a well-experienced player, but I think that I was able to give her a run for her money a bit. But I think it wasn't a bad start for me. I think that tactically and technically what I wanted to work on in my game, I was trying to go for it. And as the match has progressed, I think I'm going to be able to do better.